Parcel opening. Oh, you're filming now?
Yeah.
Oh. Why are you filming? Do you know what this is?
No, I've no idea.
Is this a thing now that we just document every banal detail of our lives?
Apparently so.
Jesus Christ. Okay, Mr. Monkey and Ms. Moo. So I think this is from Edie. That's our address. What are you doing, you twat? Oh, no. No. Does not go public. Do you understand
yeah,
me?
I'll cut that out.
Parcel opening. Okay. This person clearly went to the school of parcel wrapping that my granddad did. Soft shadows. Might be a decoy box. I hope these are... Oh, okay. So it's a decoy box. I hope these are still edible by the time they reach you. They are an absolute favourite of ours, Arch and myself. Oh!
From Ruth?
Yeah, with a good butter and wedges of cheese for you to try also. They were banned. They were banned on Tuesday. I don't think that's banned. Yes. Baked, not oven fresh, but hopefully still tasty when heated through. I keep mine in the same type of bag and they keep fairly well. Enjoy the lovely rooster. This is very exciting. Ding 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 ding. Oh yes.
Oh, Scony Good Bad Boys.
Oh yes.
We had ginger scones for breakfast, didn't we?
Oh yes.
Right, so is that going to be our
I think
lunchy dessert?
maybe with a wedge of cheese.
You with a wedge of cheese?
Yeah, and we'll do a review.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
Superb. That will need editing. Because you filmed our address like a massive knob.
Well, you didn't cover it up.